Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use promo code on Prizepicks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So while you open up Prizepicks on your web browser, you'll be getting something like this on your screen if you are logged into the Prizepicks account. Now if you are logged into your account, you won't be able to use the promo code as it is given when you are creating a new account in the Prizepicks. So what you need to do is head over to the Prizepicks homepage, and once you get here, what you need to do is simply tap on the sign up button right here, and that will lead you to the login page. And once you're there, here under the email section you'll find promo code option, and there under it you'll find the option that says don't have one. Now all you gotta do in order to get the promo code is tick that small box, and once you do that, your promo code will appear. Now if you want to give it to your friend, then what you need to do is enter the promo code that you have been given by your friend, and the friend will get the referral bonus. And that's basically how you can find the promo code. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.